Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how you can refund games from the Epic Games Store. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. Games and apps are eligible for a refund if they are marked as self-refundable or just refundable. And they'll need to have less than 2 hours of playtime and also purchased within the last 14 days. But ultimately, we can always go and check this now. So what we can do is in the top right of Epic Games, go and click on your profile icon. If you want to go and read through the refund policy, you can, but otherwise just go and click on account and you'll be taken straight to the Epic Games website. And then what you need to do is go over to the left and go and click on transactions just here, and you can then see your different transactions. And if you want to go and see if you can get a refund on it, then go over to the right and click on the arrow and it will go and expand it. And just right here, you will see the option of refund. As I have all free games, that's why refund option is not showing here. But in your case, if you want refund, the option will be exact here, and you just have to tap on that and it will take you to the refund pop-up. So that's basically how you can refund games from the Epic Games Store. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.